Hello everyone, I am Pamela Anand from Advise International. Hope you all are doing well at home. Thank you for joining me in this live session. Today I am here to present you some insight and opportunities in the field of hospitality industry. Hospitality is one of the most booming industries in the world. The hospitality industry is over a $500 billion business. It's a very broad industry that includes subdomains like restaurants, event planning, management, theme parks, resorts, clubs, cruise liners, casinos, sectors like travel and tourism, leisure, and even sports. There are plenty of opportunities for advancement in the diverse and economic hospitality industry, especially for those with hospitality management degree. You could go for a diploma, a bachelor's, PG diplomas, masters, MBA and a PhD also. So now the question arises, why we should go and study hotel management degree abroad? Now, studying hotel management abroad prepares students for work in a global industry, making it a great choice for students who wish to pursue an international career in a hospitality related field. Hotel management is a service industry, and as such customer care, customer service, appearances and attention to detail are paramount to success. One of the most appealing aspects of studying a hotel management degree abroad is the opportunity to travel, study and ultimately work overseas. Many hotel management students take the opportunity to obtain their qualification in a foreign country. Choosing a hotel management degree from an international university or a college not only provides a memorable experience but also a knowledge and appreciation of other culture and languages, which is huge competitive advantage in this popular industry. In today's globalized world, we are more connected than ever. Plus, as travel becomes more affordable, people are sitting out to explore. So the demand of this booming global tourism means jobs within the hospitality field, including hotel managers are in demand. Some notable trends in the industry are also having a big effect. For example, technology, especially apps, is becoming one of the most important tools as a hotel manager's disposal, which allows managers to provide their customers with a new and improved experiences. On the other trend include a shift towards sustainable experience-geared economics. With the rise of these new trends, professionalism is increasing, becoming more important. So new jobs are being created which requires complex quantitative competences such as budgeting and forecasting. So if you think that you have what it takes, don't wait and dive into the field of hotel management today. There are a wide variety of food and hospitality courses, from certificates and diplomas to degree courses. The flexible education system internationally allows students many opportunities to add further qualification and skills to their repertoire and succeed in the food and hospitality sector. One of the most popular industry, hospitality courses, teaches students to travel the world and meet new people. It taps into both the creative as well as business mind and incorporate concepts of international tourism, supply chain and sustainability. Thus, the education abroad greatly harnesses a student's skill. With the breathtaking landscapes and lively culture across the world, there exist several top tourist destinations today. Being at the heart of luxury and finesse, the hospitality sector offers its students the chance to learn the world leading players and understand what defines the best brand of hospitality. Now the course structure, how it goes like. The course structures varies as per your university and specialization. Courses usually commence with the basic introductory to the varied aspects of industry that look to provide an overview of the distinctive hospitality career. Through the duration of the course, you study abroad, you will be able to specialize in particular field of interest. In many cases, students are also expected to write a dissertation or undertake a project. Most hospitality courses have in them an internship and enabling students to gain practical experiences of the industry. The duration of courses differ according to the country under the consideration, and in most cases undergraduate program ranges from 3 to 4 years of duration. Courses that have internship program may have a longer duration course. If the internship is for a year, the program is often referred to the placement year or a sandwich year. So now the entry requirements. Entry requirements are highly subjective on the depend of the university program of application. If you have work experience, you have studied a subject that related to the field of study, it will be a great helping hand to you when making an application to study abroad. Certain specialization in the hospitality field include food and beverages services, hospitality management, cookery, international hospitality management, culinary arts, gastronomy, hospitality and business administration, luxury brand management, event tourism, luxury international marketing, international flight attendant and event management also. Now, Advise has organized the virtual World Education Eduthon International Hospitality Series, which is in your chance to interact with leading universities that offer illustrious hospitality courses. With this live personalized interaction, you can have a one-on-one session with the university representative from the security and solace of your home. Scheduled on 11th May 2020, that is coming Monday, from 2:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. Don't miss this chance and grab the opportunity to meet the leading hospitality universities from your home. Now I'll brief you some about the universities and institute participating in our virtual fair. Blue Mountain International Hotel Management School. Blue Mountain International Hotel Management School is a hospitality management school of hospitality education and is ranked as a #1 school in Australia and Asia Pacific region. The institution partner with Torrens University to offer an embed of hospitality, event and business management courses. As one of its own kind institution, it includes all the mix that are required for a successful university. Now let's talk about Centennial College. Established as Toronto's first public college in 1996, Centennial College offers more than 95 diplomas and certificate program in business, communication, community, health sciences, science and engineering technology, general arts and hospitality and transportation. These career-oriented programs emphasize practical experience with laboratory learning, industry and agency placements as well as with the co-op education. Manchester Metropolitan University. Founded in 1970, it holds a strong academic ranking. It offers a range of courses in the field of hospitality, some of which include hospitality management with culinary arts, hospitality business management, hospitality with event management, international hospitality management, hospitality and licensed retail management, hospitality management with tourism, etc. Now, Glion Institute of Higher Education and École de Casa, an elite hospitality management school in Switzerland. It offers courses in Masters in International Hospitality Business, Masters in Luxury Management and Guest Experiences, Masters in Hospitality, Entrepreneurship and Innovation, Masters in Real Estate, Finance and Hotel Management, Bachelor in International Hospitality Business. Not only this, it offers summer programs also in Switzerland and London and develops a talent globally. With an illuminating academic record, it is highly sought after university. Established in 1999, Ducasse is globally recognized for excellence in culinary and pastries art education. Now let's talk about Swiss Education Group. The group has hospitality and culinary schools across 6 campuses in Switzerland, which have an internship with some of most prestigious names in the industry. They host several programs such as Bachelor of Arts in Hospitality Management, in Culinary Arts, Bachelor of Business Administration in Hospitality Management with specialization, Bachelor of Arts in International Hospitality and Design Management, Bachelor of Arts in International Hospitality Management, Event Management and many more. With an illustrious academic record, it plummets the student's career opportunity. Now let's talk about some job prospects after this course. Equipped with the said courses, students can find themselves a career in marketing, business, tourism, hospitality, project management, operation management and customer services. Apart from working in the hospitality sector, the student that you learn through this course allow you to find placements in a variety of avenues. The most usual areas of professional include hospitality manager, hotel manager, marketing executive, event manager, tourism officer and many more. If you wish to have a personalized interaction with above mentioned university, register for the virtual World Education Fair Eduthon International Hospitality Series to solve all your doubts. Now what Advise do? We at Advise streamline and personalize the process for each student irrespective of the destination, institution or course or any level of study. Our team of experienced and professionals will provide you individual attention and exceptional guidance throughout your process of your application. We provide assistance related to course selection, admission, visa, bank loan and scholarships. We also host university delegate for direct student interaction and all these services are provided free of cost. We have established since 1991 and we have maintaining strong network with over 725 universities in 16 countries, hence giving us a unique insight into the finest educational establishment worldwide. For complete information about overseas education, contact Advise International on our hotline number. In the end, I would like to highlight that Advise has organized the virtual World Education Fair Eduthon International Hospitality Series scheduled on 11th May, that is coming Monday from 2:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. Don't miss this chance and grab the opportunity to meet the delegate at your doorsteps. Universities will answer you while sitting at home. You can clarify all your queries. With this, we have come to an end of this presentation. Thank you all for attending this. We hope that it was helpful for you. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.